fuck you, Bryant, because I know you're going to watch this. Eat a dick.
Back out here on a nice sunny day in Ohio, and we're going to be going over to John's, actually the shop, to polish his wheels on his truck, or attempt to polish his wheels a little bit. Not going to spend too much time doing that, but wanted to talk about the Chrysler, seeing as I haven't talked about it really much, except for the last video. Here is the damage behind the bumper. So both fenders are okay. No damage there. The little plastic molding behind above the wheels, perfectly fine, both sides. Just needs some the screws put back in, or the little plugs put back in it. Hood was crushed here, and these are aluminum hoods. So, if it was a steel hood, it probably wouldn't have done as much damage, but it just bent this aluminum back, damaged that. I have all this zip tied up out of the way for the headlight washers. I don't know why this car needs headlight washers, honestly, but have that all zip tied up out of the way, so whenever I move the car back and forth or move it around the driveway, they don't drag and stuff. The horn here is cracked, and then this little condenser is a little bent up, but it's not leaking, or nothing's broke here. So I'll just take a screwdriver or a fan, or what it's called, the file, like the comb those back out. And then we'll go in here in the garage and show you what the damage is on the bumper. Alright, so here is the bumper, and as you can see, it still has fur in it from where I hit the deer. The whole back right here, everything's cracked. The foam is good, the fog lights are good, the headlight washers are still good, the chrome pieces on the front are still good. None of that's broke. Easy fix, just get a new front cover. I actually had a Bentley grill, or Bentley style grill, ordered somewhere over here, but that'll just be taken off this and put on the new bumper eventually when I get the chance to do that, when it finally comes in. Went to Indiana and bought this OEM hood. It is white, so it will need to be painted, but paid $50 for it. Not a bad deal. A little bubbly here, but there's no, it's aluminum, so it won't rust, but just needs to be put down to its raw finish and then repainted. Here is one of the headlights, and I took the ballast out of it. And I was going to buy a genuine, just regular Chrysler one, but the wiring harness is different where they plug into. So down here, this is completely different than any other Chrysler. This is the SRT8 headlight. So, yeah. So only way to do that is to go back with OEM. So whoever bought the car from factory had the SRT8 package, but not the SRT8 motor. Another thing I need to do once the car is finished, which these were already ordered and they got in, these Lux Auto floor mats, which seem like really good quality. Haven't been able to test them out, but really excited to put those in eventually. And as you can see, here is the rest of the passenger side headlight, what's left of it. It literally just crumbled. So, but anyway, we're gonna get our stuff here and go over to John's. Quick change of plans. Forgot we had to run to town to get a cordless drill, a corded drill, and we brought Michaela along with us. I'm not gonna say anything.
Hi.
Your camera shy?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Alright, well, we'll be at John's in a little bit. I'm making a video. Shush a little bit. So, John doesn't like to clean wheels.
Oh, you're such a piece of shit. I'll kill you.
Still doesn't make a difference that you don't like to clean wheels. It's true. So these are a little hazy, but they're a lot better than they were. We'll go over here and show you what they were like. So this is what they did look like. It is also wintertime here in Ohio, so I'll give John that at least. And forged wheels are actually a pain to clean if you don't clean them. But they're not scratched up or anything. Just need a nice polish. This side over here is almost done. John's working on his exhaust. Having fun, John?
Fuck you, Bryant, because I know you're going to watch this. Eat a dick.
Alright, well, I'll put that in there, but I'll take some of that language out. So this one...
So he knows what I said.
Leave it?
Bleep it.
Oh, no, I'll bleep it. So this one, starting to wipe off some of the polish. I'm actually just using the Zephyr Pro 40 and then Pro 25 with a mother's polishing ball. I don't feel like getting all the Zephyr stuff out. The cutting wheels, because that takes forever, and I don't feel like losing a hand today because I don't have very much pad left. So, still need to paint the bed. John's over here doing some stuff. Go ahead, proceed. A mask might be good.
Safety first, Kevin.
I'll stand here. And that's how you do that. So, making a custom hanger. So, got rid of the stack. Big old stack, going bye-bye. So, we're going to keep on trucking along. How's the progress? Cool. So I think as far as we're going to go on the wheels, I'm not going to try to get them at exactly a perfect 100% mirror finish, just because John may or may not be getting them powder coated. Who knows?
It's wintertime.
And it's wintertime, so they're probably going to get dirty here in the next month or so. John's over here welding. Without a mask because YOLO. Anyway, there's the rears and the fronts. A lot better than what they were. Right, Michaela?
Yeah. Don't look.
Don't look at that.
Bright.
Yeah, don't look at that.
I'm trying not to. That's distracting.
Just finished polishing John's wheels and his exhaust, and he's getting ready to pull it outside here. So both sides are done. Here we go. Way better. Way better.
They look too clean for the truck.
They are really clean. So, didn't take honestly too long. Looks 100% better. Sounds 100% better. So it sounds better too. Still need to do the bed though. That's a different day. I know I haven't finished that video yet of the bed or painting the whole truck, but got the Cummins over there warming up. Mikhail's putting the stuff in there. But didn't turn out too bad. They do have a couple spots on them that need to be polished a little better, but for about 2 hours worth of work, or hour and a half, whatever it wasn't too bad. This one was honestly the worst. And as you can see, I'm just absolutely covered in my hands. But it'll be another day, another video. So still got a lot of paint matching stuff to do to this. Slowly but surely. So say, don't forget to like the video.
Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for the 1000th.
No, you're supposed to say.
Okay, yes.
You're supposed to say. You're supposed to say follow on Instagram,
okay,
and then subscribe for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway.
1,000 subscriber giveaway.
All right, let's try it all together. Ready?
Okay. I'm nervous. Woo, sweating. Okay. Yeah, we've got time. We're fine. Okay, what was the first part again?
She's struggling. All right, I'll do it.
Hardcore. I'm struggling.
Don't forget to like the video, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And then at 2,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing another giveaway.
What he said.
See you next video.
Ryan Little.